In this video, I'm going to show you how to release a stuck chuck in a Milwaukee cordless drill. So sometimes you might come to an old drill that you've got lying around in your workshop or your shed and find that the chuck is stuck in the open position. As you can see here, we can't see the chuck on the edge of our drill. So before we go any further, we want to make sure our drill is in the right settings to give us the best possible chance of freeing up our chuck. So with two settings here, speed 1 and speed 2, we're going to keep it in speed 1 because speed 1 gives us more torque and slightly less speed, which is exactly what we want for this operation. We want a nice controlled release of our chuck. So I'll keep that in speed 1. If you look here with a few settings on top of the drill, we've got these clutch screw settings, we don't want those. And we've got hammer mode. We want to make sure that our drill is set to drill mode, indicated by this little drill bit here. So when we're in drill mode, we get the full use of our drill, the full power of our drill in order to free our chuck. So as our chuck is stuck in the open position, we want to flick this little button here, which is forward and reverse, towards ourselves. This means that when we hold the end of our chuck and activate the trigger, our chuck is going to want to try and tighten up and, in theory, free our chuck. So we're going to hold on to the end of the drill. There's this textured part here, signifying this is the part you hold. You don't want to be holding the body of the drill, you just want to hold this end piece. This is the divide between your drill body and your chuck. So if you hold the chuck with your left hand, hold the body of the drill with your right hand, and then you slowly want to blip the trigger, and hopefully that should spring the chuck free. So I'll just hold it here just to show you. So grab hold of the trigger, and as you can see, the chuck tightens up. So if you do find that your drill has a stuck chuck, then make sure all your settings are correct. You want to be on speed 1, you want to be set to drill mode, you want to push this towards yourself, and then left hand on the chuck, blip the trigger to release the chuck. And that's how you release a stuck chuck in your Milwaukee cordless combi drill.